So this is the interface, and when you want to run bot, what you have to do is you have to scroll it down and you have to click bots, right? So here I don't have any bot, so this would be my first bot to set up, and let's set up this one together so you will see all about how I'm going to do this one in real trading, right? Create bot, then it asks what kind of a bot you require. It is a signal bot or a grid bot. So today in this video I'm going to do the grid bot. Let's create a grid bot. So this is the first interface that you would see, right? Before that, I have to tell you that before you come to this grid bot interface, first thing that you have to connect your exchange with an API. So I think everybody all people all know how to do this one, so I don't go deep into this one. Once you connected your exchange to Ultrady platform using the API key, so you are good to come here, right? So first thing first, name the bot. You can put any name you want. So I'm going to put a grid bot here in my Binance exchange. So the currency pair would be ADA Ethereum. So right, and the exchange I have to select Binance, then I have to scroll it down to get my the exchange I want. This is the test one demo account, but today I'm going to do with the real account, right? And the market, I have to select the currency pair I want to run. So I have selected ADA Ethereum, and so I'm getting the chart here, that particular currency pair, exchange Binance ADA slash Ethereum, and the chart is 1 hour chart. Let's go to 30 minutes. Right, and we can see the present price would be 0.000252473. So the grid bot, we have to define the upper price and the lower price, or the upper line and the lower line. So it is you can select from here how much you want to go up in the as a percentage. If I select 5%, the price would change, and 10%, or I can select whatever I want, right? So this is about 19%, right? Then I have to select the right. So upper price, we can select, even you can type here like if I type 32%, 30.0032, that means almost 29% from up from the present price. So I want to cover around 25%. So it would be okay, 0.00031. At the same time, I want to cover 30% down from the present price. Right, so 0.00172. So I have defined two levels, upper price and the lower price. So the bot will work in that particular two, upper price and the lower price levels. But if you want to go beyond that also, it is possible if you allow trailing up. So the bot will continue to run even the upper price is going away from 0.00308, because trailing up will be into use, right? So this is up to you if you want to keep this one activated or not. I keep activated, and the lower price also you can trailing it down. So if you put trailing up and the trailing down, the bot will not stop. It will keep on buying and selling even the upper price lower price is exceeded, right? Number of place orders, here we can see the price has changed. Let me change this to 25, and right, I need to cover around 25%. right? Already. So number of place orders, I'm going to reduce it to 25 or 30. Let's make 30 lines. So profit per step is around 1% to 2%, and the size per step, I have to select how much I'm going to invest here. So it is asking you're going to invest only Ethereum or both coins, because I'm having some balances in Ethereum and ADA. In that case, I'm going to select both coins. If you're going to select Ethereum only, the balance of ADA would not be taken into the account. So since I want to take all the Ethereum and ADA in my account to use this in the gridbot, so I have selected both. And so my available balance of Ethereum is around 0.8, and I have total balance is around 0.8. Out of that, 0.7 from Ethereum and 255 from ADA, right? So the size would be, I'm going to put all my money into this grid bot, so I would select 100%. So I'm going to reduce this one to 0.80, right? That would be great. And so 99% of my assets will be used to run this bot. And the other thing, one option given as backtest, you can do that one also if you are interested. And the total investment would be 0.8 Ethereum, and total ADA required 1648. And since I don't have this much of ADA, what is going to do is going to buy some ADA, around 1393 ADA using my Ethereum. So that will facilitate this bot run, because grid run to run a grid bot, you have to have both currencies in equal amount. So in this case, I'm going to have, in this case, bot is going to buy some ADA from the market price, right? So it has clearly said that I need extra ADA from 1393. So start this grid bot will buy around 1393 ADA at market price. So this is what going to happen if I'm going to run in this way, right? So, and the other thing is exit settings. If you can keep this one on if you want, but in my case, since I have activated the trailing up and trailing down, I don't want to exit this bot, so I keep running as it is. And the stop loss also I'm not going to activate, because the thing would happen is either all of my ADA will be converted to Ethereum, or the other way, all my Ethereum will be converted to ADA if this bot is going to perform outside of my grid line. So either way it is okay for me, because these both two coins are good coins, so I'm not worried to keep either ADA or Ethereum in case the grid bot is going to away from the grid line. So I'm not going to change these settings. So if I'm happy with that, I can do the save settings. And so this is the summary. Exchange is Binance, and the market ADA Ethereum, and account, I have selected my Binance account. Total investment is around 0.8 Ethereum, and upper price I have selected 0.3020. It is slightly changed, but if you want to change it is okay. And lower price also around 26% down, and trailing up enable. Number of place orders would be 30, and the profit per step around 1%, and the quantity per step is 116. So 116 ADA means present price around $0.4 one ADA. So I would say this $45 per each step. So $45 each step, 1% means around $0.5 profit each order execution, right? So buy orders 16 and the sell orders would be 14, right? To start the grid bot, will buy 1393 ADA at the market price. So if you're happy with this one, you can confirm the bot. So the bot will start running. So this is how you can set grid bot in Ultrady platform. So this is a wonderful thing because they have two new setups included, trailing up and down, because on other grid bots we don't have trailing up and down two options. So when the bot goes away from the upper line or the lower line, bot will stop, keep on buying. But when you activated the trailing up and the trailing down, the bot will not, it keeps on running, right? So that is up to you. You want to keep it like in trailing up or down activated or not, it is up to you. But this is the way that you should set up the bot in Ultrady platform. So this is all about Ultrady platform grid bot. So let's move to the other part of the video to show you the best mm, hardware wallet to save your cryptocurrencies in a safe manner, because we have already experienced that FTX exchange collapse. So in that failure, that so many people have lost their money by just keeping their money in an exchange. So keep all your funds in exchange is not a good idea. It is true that you have to have some funds in an exchange if you want to run the bots or do the trading in exchanges, but it is not a good idea to keep all your portfolio, all your funds at one place. So you have to move some of your funds to a safer place like a hardware wallet. So in that case, I'm going to show you the best hardware wallet I've been using for last 2-3 years. Let's move to the hardware wallet video. So if you have any question about the Ultrady platform, please comment below in the comment section in this YouTube videos. I will answer all your questions. I'm more happy to answer all of them. So let's move to the next video about